Hello, hi, this is a test. I just streamed a video several moments ago and there was a problem with it. It seemed that the audio was not recorded. Alright, since I had not enabled audio, by default it's mute. Unfortunately, when you send an online live video, it seems that it is muted, so you have to make it unmute. You have to unmute it before you can upload an audio enabled sound, an audio enabled video. Alright, this was just an experience and this is basically a test. The video I just streamed moments ago was about ML in Android, but it doesn't matter anymore because it has no audio and it's basically useless, unfortunately. I don't love to use negative words, but I have to sometimes because sometimes you just don't have any alternative word to use for that. Okay, what if I close this window? If I close this, should I still be able to stream live? I'm not pretty sure, but probably it should work because the software is showing that I'm streaming live, so it should continue to stream no matter I'm on my live dashboard link on YouTube or not. So for test, let's take a look at the web page and talk a little bit about MLKit and machine learning technology by Apple. Build real-time personalized experience with industry-leading on-device machine learning. So Apple claims to be industry-leading on-device machine learning. So as I said in the previous video, which was unfortunately muted, Apple announced its ML technology 2 years ago, maybe 3 years ago, so before Google, and now Android also announces its ML technology on Android developers website. You can find about it by searching Google Android ML. But the technologies that Apple uses are Core ML3, Create ML, and I think these are the main two that are used by Apple for developers to enable creation of applications that use machine learning. For example, apps that can recognize pictures based on sample images that you give to them. They train a model that can then basically recognize and understand and infer based on those information, learn and then infer. If you look at ML for Android, they're similar. Yes, the first video given in Firecast seems that it has been announced in 2018 by Android developers. There's a video on that. MLKit. So last year in Android Dev Summit, probably it was the first time that Google talked about ML implementation for its platform Android, enabling Android developers to incorporate ML technology and machine learning and neural networks into their applications. Alright, there's also a good some good information on Android developers. Let's take a look at that as well. Android developers ML. Machine learning. So if you go to this link, developer.android.com/ml, you will find useful information about machine learning. There are 4 phases in creation of ML enabled apps, which consists of design, building and training, inference, deployment. So the most important part in my opinion is building and training, because here's where your model in fact learns based on data that you provide for it. For example, your images that you give to it are sample data that your model will use for training itself. Alright, this video was basically a test, but I hope that you find the information that I told you useful. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and let me know what you think of the videos I'm creating in the comment section. I'll be glad to hear, and I wish you a happy day. Good luck. Stop streaming.